There are many hosting providers to choose from. For our website, we'll use Hostinger. It's fast, reliable, easy to set up, and more affordable than most other options. Plus, by using the first link in the video description to sign up, you'll get an additional 10% discount on your hosting plan. To get the best performance, I recommend choosing the business plan. But if you're on a lower budget, the premium plan will also work just fine. Next, choose a payment period and enter your basic information and payment details to register with Hostinger. By the way, Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if we change our minds in the first 30 days, we can very easily get a full refund. After payment, you'll land at the Hostinger onboarding. To save some time and skip the onboarding sequence, let's click on the Hostinger logo here up at the top and go straight to the Hostinger dashboard. Confirm by clicking Leave. And now we're on the Hostinger dashboard. In our to-do items, you can see that we need to verify our email. Let's open our email inbox in a new tab. Find the Hostinger email with the subject line, Verify your email address, open it, and click Verify Email. That will bring us back to the dashboard. And now we've officially finished getting hosting.